Welcome back to EV Horizon, your ultimate source for cutting-edge electric vehicles. Today, we're exploring the Mercedes-AMG GT XX, the groundbreaking fully electric high-performance four-door sedan that's redefining what a super GT can be. This concept, unveiled in 2025, previews the first series production model on the revolutionary AMG EA platform, set to arrive in 2026. With over 1,341 horsepower from 3 axial-flux motors, record-shattering endurance runs at Nardo, and hyper-fast charging, it's not just an EV, it's AMG's bold statement for the electric era. Let's start with the exterior that turns heads. The exterior screams pure performance aggression while maintaining that unmistakable AMG DNA. It's a sleek four-door coupe with a low, wide stance, measuring around 5,200 mm long, emphasizing its grand tourer credentials. Up front, a bold shark-nose design features a massive, illuminated Panamericana grille reimagined for an EV. No traditional slats, just a striking black panel with subtle lighting accents that glow during charging or in performance modes. Sharp, angular LED headlights flank it, giving an intense, predatory look. The hood incorporates intricate venting for superior aerodynamics, achieving an impressive drag coefficient of about 0.198, which boosts high-speed stability and efficiency. Sculpted side profiles include flared wheel arches housing massive alloys, pop-out door handles for clean lines, and a tapered greenhouse that flows into a rounded, muscular rear. The tail features slim, wraparound taillights, a subtle diffuser, and an integrated spoiler for downforce. In that signature orange livery from the concept, it looks rebellious and motorsport-inspired, evoking the legendary C111 experimental cars. The overall silhouette blends coupe elegance with sedan practicality, making it a true super GT that's as at home on the Autobahn as it is at the track. Step inside, and the interior reimagines luxury performance for the electric age with strong motorsport references. The cabin is driver-focused, featuring a massive curved hyperscreen that spans the dashboard, integrating driver displays, infotainment, and passenger controls in a seamless, high-resolution interface. Materials are premium, think Alcantara, carbon fiber, and sustainable accents, with racing-style bucket seats offering exceptional support and bolstering for high-G cornering. The yoke-style steering wheel nods to Formula One, complete with haptic feedback and customizable controls. Ambient lighting pulses with drive modes, and the layout prioritizes minimalism without sacrificing usability. Rear passengers get ample space in this four-door setup, with individual screens and climate zones for comfort on long hauls. Tech highlights include advanced voice AI, augmented reality navigation projected onto the windshield, and immersive audio from a Burmester system tuned for electric silence or synthetic engine sounds. Sensors and cameras monitor everything for safety, while the cabin's design emphasizes weight reduction and aerodynamics, with clever storage solutions that keep the focus on driving thrills. It's a cockpit built for adrenaline junkies who demand luxury. Performance is where the GT XX truly shines, delivering mind-bending numbers that shatter expectations. 3 YASA axial-flux motors, 2 at the rear axle in a high-performance electric drive unit and 1 front booster, combined for over 1,000 kilowatts, or more than 1,341 horsepower, with instant torque that propels this four-door to a top speed exceeding 223 miles per hour. Acceleration is ferocious, likely dipping into the low 2-second range for 0 to 60 mph, though official figures await production confirmation. The directly cooled high-performance battery, a fresh development inspired by Formula One tech, ensures sustained power without thermal degradation, proven during the Nardo record drive where prototypes covered over 24,900 miles, equivalent to Earth's equator, in under 8 days, averaging speeds above 137 miles per hour including charging stops. It obliterated 25 EV records, including a 24-hour distance of 3,404 miles at over 142 miles per hour average. Charging is revolutionary, hitting peaks over 1,000 kilowatts, adding massive range in minutes, up to 249 miles in 5 minutes per WLTP estimates. All-wheel drive with torque vectoring provides razor-sharp handling, adaptive suspension soaks up imperfections, and intelligent aero keeps it planted at triple-digit speeds. This isn't about raw speed alone, it's repeatable, endurance-focused performance that makes rivals look tame. On pricing, expect the production Mercedes-AMG GT XX to land in the high six-figure territory, starting around $200,000 to $250,000 depending on trim and options, positioning it as a halo model against the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT or Lucid Air Sapphire. Top variants could push higher with exclusive packages, track-focused upgrades, and limited editions. Deliveries are slated for late 2026 into 2027, with initial focus on key markets like the US and Europe. Factor in potential incentives for EVs, though at this level, it's more about prestige and performance than savings. For that investment, you're getting future-proof tech, blistering dynamics, and AMG's uncompromising spirit in a fully electric package. The Mercedes-AMG GT XX is set to redefine high-performance EVs, blending supercar thrills with four-door versatility. If this fires you up, smash that like button, subscribe to EV Horizon for more, and drop a comment on what EV super sedan excites you most. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.